Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to Occult TV. I'm your host, O'Shea. As well, you can call me Atanu or Cool Cat. Atanu is my spiritual name, my magic name, as well as my author name. So, with that, let's get into the video. The topic of today's video is working with King Paimon. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, today is a video dedicated to King Paimon with a question actually asked by a Patreon subscriber named Paul. Not sure if he wants me to put his full name, but named Paul. So, how can we communicate with King Paimon if we're a beginner with low psychic abilities? In a sense, if we are new to the craft, just entering into it, I'm gonna tell you exactly as when I first started to work with King Paimon, what I did, and then as well the things that I would do to better that interaction. Now having the mindset of a master occultist, now having the mindset in which I do. So the way in which we communicate with King Paimon, if we cannot hear spirits yet, the best thing to do is actually just get a piece of paper and then just start to petition the spirit. Start to write down, King Paimon, I want to work with you. I'd like to learn the occult. I'd like to teach the occult. I want to teach magic, right? I want to learn magic. I want to learn the occult. That is the best way to communicate with King Paimon when you don't have psychic abilities. Because what it allows you to do is, as you're thinking the question, you can ask yourself something. So, say, King Paimon, how do I get better at magic? And then you think, you wait until a thought comes, and then through merging my imagination and my vibration, I am able to better manifest what I desire to create, right? And that's a way in which King Paimon would answer. So if you don't have psychic abilities, this is the perfect place to start. And then on top of that, other ways in which you can embrace King Paimon if you are just getting onto the path. Ways in which you can communicate with King Paimon if you are just a beginner and you're working on your psychic abilities. As well, King Paimon is a deity of magic, the arts, music, psychology, the mind. So doing anything to give back to him in any way, giving offerings is a great way to boost your psychic abilities, because what it's doing is it's boosting your connection from you giving an offering saying, King Paimon, I'd like to hear you. Maybe you now start to actually hear him within your mind. King Paimon is an abundant deity. He can teach you much. He's a teacher daemon, a teacher spirit. He loves to teach, and he loves when you listen. So even just sitting down and trying to listen, just sitting down and writing what comes to mind for 20 minutes to an hour, King Paimon would love if you did this. As well, King Paimon would love to teach you business, the occult, magic, ascension, becoming your greatest version, evolving and becoming your own god. So these are the things that King Paimon can help you guys with. With that, guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. This is Atanu from Occult TV. Out. Have a good one. Hope you guys stay blessed, stay meditating, stay educated, stay elevating, and most importantly, stay blessed. Have a good one. Well, actually, no. Strike the blessed. Let's change words. Stay evolving, stay ascending, guys, because blessed is be less. So fuck that shit. I want you guys to be more, be your greatest version, and be who you're meant to become. With that, have a beautiful day.